How do you calculate non-economic damages for pain and suffering? Imagine feeling pain that no amount of money can truly measure. When someone gets hurt, they often wonder how much their suffering is worth in a legal case. That's where calculating non-economic damages for pain and suffering comes in. These damages are meant to put a dollar amount on the physical pain and emotional distress caused by an injury. Unlike bills for medical care or lost wages, pain and suffering are not straightforward to value. There are two main ways lawyers and courts do this: the multiplier method and the per diem method. The multiplier method starts with the total economic damages, like medical bills and lost income. Then, a number called a multiplier is applied. This multiplier usually ranges from 1.5 to 5 or higher. The higher the multiplier, the more severe or long-lasting the injury. For minor injuries, a multiplier between 1.5 and 2 might be used. For serious or permanent injuries, the multiplier could be 4 or 5. The formula is simple. Non-economic damages equal economic damages times the multiplier. For example, if someone's economic damages are $20,000 and the multiplier is 3, the non-economic damages would be $60,000. This method is popular because it links pain and suffering to actual financial losses, but it can sometimes undervalue suffering if economic damages are low. The per diem method assigns a specific dollar amount to each day a person experiences pain and distress. The daily rate depends on factors like how bad the injury is, the person's age, and how much the injury affects their daily life. For example, if the daily rate is $75 and the person suffered 500 days, the total non-economic damages would be $37,500. This approach works well for injuries that take a long time to heal and helps to directly quantify ongoing pain and emotional struggles. Several factors influence how damages are calculated. The severity and length of the injury matter a lot. How much the injury impacts daily activities, emotional health, or mental well-being also plays a role. If the injury causes anxiety, depression, or post-traumatic stress disorder, those feelings are considered. The age and overall health of the injured person are important too, as well as any permanent disfigurement or impairment. If the injury causes a person to lose enjoyment of hobbies or social activities, that is also factored into the calculation. Personal injury cases, these calculations are essential because they recognize the full human toll of an injury. They help compensate for pain, emotional suffering, and the loss of quality of life. Lawyers and courts carefully consider all these factors to arrive at a fair amount of compensation that reflects what the injured person has endured. Understanding how these damages are calculated helps ensure that victims get the justice they deserve for their pain and suffering.